Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine and have done your chapter number 1 sets in maths copy. Today we are going to start algebra work. It's chapter number 3 and page number 31. Before starting the lesson, I want to tell you some basic rules about the algebra. Students, as you know that in maths a single number is like this 9, whatever the number is 100, ठीक है. But in algebra a single number consists of 4 parts. It has a sign, whether it is positive or negative sign. Then this number is called coefficient, and a variable. A variable is any alphabet in a small letter. This is a variable, and variable has a power. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the power is. So we find that in algebra a single number consists of 4 parts: a sign, coefficient, then any variable and its power. This is a single number in algebra. Okay. Now if we have a number like this 3x, here we don't have any sign or any power. When there is no sign, it is obvious and understood that there is a positive sign. Similarly, when there is no power on any variable, it is obvious and understood that it has power 1. Okay. If we have x plus 2y, here we have the number x. It is obvious that it has a sign, plus sign, and has a coefficient 1. When there is no coefficient, when 1 is the coefficient, and similarly it has a power 1. These are some rules. Now start your lesson. Come to page number 33. This is your example. This is a very short and brief example. Now you had better open your book at page number 33 and follow this. Example number 1. Write the following in the language of algebra. हमें ये स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है, एल्जेब्रिक फॉर्म में हमें इसको लिखना है. द सम व्हेन 5 इज एडिड टू x. सम मीन्स व्हेन 2 नंबर्स आर एडिड. जब जमा होते हैं 2 नंबर्स तो उनका जो आंसर आता है वो सम कहलाता है. द सम व्हेन 5 इज एडिड टू x. हियर द आंसर इज गिवन. व्हाट वी हैव टू ऐड? 5 एंड x. हियर वी ऐड देम, x plus 5. दिस इज द आंसर. Second example is the remainder when y is subtracted from x. Remainder, what is the remainder? When we subtract 2 numbers, the answer will be called remainder. Remainder बताइए आप x और y और x को subtract करने के बाद. So in the algebraic form we write this like this: x minus y. x में से माइनस किया हमने y को, तो जो रिमाइंडर आएगा वो. नंबर 3 देखिए. द प्रोडक्ट व्हेन x इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन राइट दिस इन मैनी फॉर्म्स. प्रोडक्ट को हम, मल्टीप्लाई को हम कई तरीक़ों से लिख सकते हैं. सपोज वी हैव 2 नंबर्स 2 and 3. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दैम. We can insert multiply sign. Okay, we can insert bracket between them. This is also the sign of multiplying. These 2 numbers are multiplying each other, 2 and 3. We can also write this by inserting bracket. By inserting bracket in a single number. these numbers are also multiplying, these numbers are also multiplying. If we put dot between them, this is all the sign of multiplying. And if suppose we don't have 3, instead of 3 we have any variable 2a, here we are saying there is no sign between them. When there is no sign between the number and variable, it means they are multiplying to each other. Suppose 3x 100 ab, these are multiplying to each other. Or we can write in the form of words, product of 2 and 3. These are the method of showing multiplication. दोनों में ब्रैकेट, किसी एक में ब्रैकेट, किसी एक में ब्रैकेट, दोनों के दरमियान डॉट या कुछ भी नहीं. ये देखिए कुछ भी नहीं. ओके, सो कम टू द एग्जाम्पल. द प्रोडक्ट व्हेन x इज मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 8. यहाँ देखिए x मल्टीप्लाई 8, x और 8 के दरमियान हमने मल्टीप्लाई का साइन लगाया, और अगर हम ना भी लगाएं कुछ तब भी 8x इट इज़ शोइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन. कम टू नंबर 4. द सम ऑफ x स्क्वायर्ड एंड y क्यूब्ड. सम आपको बताया एडिशन. किस चीज़ का एडिशन? x का स्क्वायर यानी x के ऊपर पावर 2 एंड y क्यूब, y की पावर 3. Look at here, x square plus y cube. Come to 4. The product of a to the power 5 and to the power and b to the power 6. प्रोडक्ट बताइए जब a की पावर 5 और b की पावर 6 हो. प्रोडक्ट देखिए, हमने कहा मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन, a की पावर 5 and b is to the power 6. मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, and if we don't insert the sign of multiplication, then it is the answer. We can write it like this. Now come to the question 6. The price of 4 books when the price of 1 book is ₹x. 4 बुक्स की हमें प्राइस बतानी है जबकि एक बुक की प्राइस हमारे पास x है. Obviously we multiply both these terms. 4 multiply by x or rupees 4x. The quotient when x to the power 7 is divided by y to the power 4. Quotient आता है वो अमाउंट, the amount which is divided by 2 numbers. The amount which comes divided by 2 numbers. x की पावर 7 और y की पावर 4 हो तो उनके डिवीज़न के बाद जो आंसर आएगा वो क्वेश्चन कहलाएगा. x की पावर 7 डिवाइडेड बाय y4. वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस लाइक दिस, x की पावर 7 डिवाइडेड बाय y4.